Hey, what's up everybody? Ed the Pond Professor here. I am coming to you today from Aqualand, and I am here to talk about my favorite subject, which, as all of you know, is going to be water. Water is the source of all life on planet Earth. We crave it, we look for it, we go and we vacation by it, we immerse ourselves in it. It is such an integral part of our daily lives. We unfortunately take it for granted. But right now, what I think is very, very cool is there is a growing trend that's happening right now in the landscaping world and outdoor living spaces when it's called a living pool or a recreational pond, which is what I like to call it because I think it's more all-encompassing. So what a recreational pond is, it is water the way nature intended it. What I mean by that, it is going to be full of life. It's going to be able to support things. It's going to have fish, and it's going to have microorganisms. It's going to be home for pollinators. It's going to have aquatic plants and water lilies. It's going to have all these different things living together symbiotically, creating this beautiful, serene setting. What I love about this is it is the same ecosystem technology that we have utilized for many, many years. All we've done is we've repackaged things and we've come up with a way to increase the filtration by having the larger wetland filtration systems, by having larger intake bays and pumps that are sitting outside of the pond to be able to recirculate all that water to create all that life that we're looking for. So what we've done is we've come up with a series of small kits. These kits are put together similar to our other ecosystem ponds, where we have everything that you need necessary to pull off a project. So right now we have a 9x20 swimming zone as well as a 19x24 swimming zone. Associated with that is going to be the large wetland filter, which is going to detoxify the water and it's going to create that living water ecosystem that we're looking for. The other thing that we have is we have an incredible tech team that could assist you all along the entire process if you need assistance beyond the existing kits. So if you get caught in a jam or you want to make something that's a little larger or a little smaller, they can help you pull all that stuff off. And we have a series of architectural drawings that are going to support all the different details necessary from different types of wall structures inside the pond, the plumbing details, the layout for the aqua blocks and for the wetland filters, the proper flow rates, all the different pieces and parts that are necessary to pull it off. The final piece that we have is obviously it's going to be the Aquascape University. That is a go-to for us, and inside the Aquascape University we showcase every single detail necessary for you to be able to successfully design and build water features. The Aquascape University version of Recreational Pond is a massive class. It's going to take you hours and hours of time to actually go through to be able to understand all the intricacies that are necessary to create these incredible features for yourself and or your clients.